Hey, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. I have a few empties. It is not a lot. Take a few minutes and watch this video. When you're done, share it with someone else and hype it. I just want to show you what I've used in skincare. There we go. These are the makeup wipes. They are by Walmart. I used two of them. Oh, I lied. Three. And I use La Roche-Posay, and it is the face wash. It is Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I had this for a long time. This took a long time to finish because sometimes I have more than one cleanser in my shower, so that always tends to happen. But this was good. This was really good. The next thing that I used was the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. When I put something behind the white, it shows better. I've always used this, but I've changed to something else in the last 2 months. And it is better than this. What I've changed it to is called Harahuraha Wonder. And this is done. This is what I changed from CeraVe to this. This is SPF 50, no white cast, and it is really, really nice. It doesn't burn, even if it migrates. I put it under my eye, on my lids, it doesn't burn. The CeraVe, if I do that, I will have my eyes sting a lot. So this is what I have changed to. I'm trying to show you, so I switch off one of the lights. But this is it. Done. The next thing I use is Dermasil Night Cream. I have this for a long time. I had the toner. The toners have been done. But again, sometimes I have 2 to 3 moisturizers going on at a time. So they take a long time to finish. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And I liked it. It's very creamy. It keeps your face really moist. Not greasy, but moist. And I used it at night. The next thing I finished is this eye cream. It is called Harahura Wonder, and it has rice water in there. It is the eye cream to this. This is the moisturizer. This is the eye cream. And like I say, I bought these things back in March of 2025, but because I have others I use, they take a long time. I have a second one and I just started it. The last thing that I use is this toner by Lancome. Love it. Keeps my face well hydrated. This took a while to finish because after my eye surgery, I couldn't do anything. I could not put anything under my eyes. So because when I use this, I put it all over my face before I put my moisturizer. And this, excellent. If it wasn't too pricey, I maybe would buy another one, but I have a different one right now using. But these are my empties. These are my skincare empties for, it's been a while. I can't even tell you when. But these are the skincare products that I used over the last 3 to 4 months. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to share this video, hype it, and I will see you in another one. Thank you.